Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a new try-on video. So if you want to see how I recreate this look and how it performs, this Dior Queen, but not only this, I have some other new products that I wanted to try on camera, then just keep on watching. So I want to start by priming, and I specifically pulled out this Tula under eye brightening primer. I have done 2 try-on videos previously and each time I forgot to do it, so now it's the time. So it's coming in this lovely packaging, and here we have a stopper which also will preserve the product not to get dry easily. I have this NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer in the shade Soft Beige. I'm afraid it's a bit darker for me. Even though it's targeted and labeled as a foundation brush, I would not use it for the foundation, especially if I'm in a hurry. But other than that, I like it and I do not regret having it. I'm going to set my face using the Catrice True Skin Mineral Loose Hyaluronic Setting Powder. Okay, I'm really satisfied by the good job that this brush did to my under eye area. So I got a really nice and also a little bit blended line with the shadow. I love it. I'm not all the time going for this. Usually I use a liquid liner, but I like when I add a shadow. So I love it. I'm happy that I ordered this. So now I'm going to use the eyelash curler from REPHR, of course. And look how big difference it's when I'm curling my lashes. I think I'm going to use a lash primer because I have a new mascara. It's not new, but I haven't showed this on camera. It's by Bobbi Browm. It's the Smoky Eye. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use it on one eye without primer. This is the wand. I much more prefer to use this kind of brushes for my under eye area. And now with the lash primer, this is from L'Oreal. Okay, it's L'Oreal Lash Paradise Primer, but I know that in North America, this one you have it under the voluminous one, and Lash Paradise, it's the one that you have with the Hourglass wand. I know because I'm fascinated how L'Oreal can mess with products and packaging Europe versus North America. And I like this primer that it's not completely white, it is more grayish, it is more easy to be covered. I don't know, you guys, do you think it's a difference between lash primer and no lash primer? Yeah, I think it is. I think the lash primer does help. Now I need to take care of my brows. I have a new brow pencil. I had it before. This is by Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil. I have it in the shade medium brown. So this is the tip. It's not as I was remembering to be. Before I tried like 4 years ago their brow pencil, 3-4 years ago, and it was a bit too creamy for my liking, but I like it now. It's not bad. It's not bad, you guys. And also the shade, it's matching me. I thought the shade it will be too warm. So we have left only the lips. Ooh, one of my studio lights has died, so I think it's time for me to finish. So for my lips I have this duo from Rare Beauty, the Mini Mauve Lip Duo, and it has this lovely cute lipstick which is quite creamy. I don't know if there is a point to use the gloss, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to add it on the top, which is quite pigmented. So you can either use the gloss or the lipstick and it has the same payout. So yeah guys, this is the final look. And to recap, we already know by now that I love all the REPHR brushes that I tried. The foundation brush, it's much better for me to use it for cream contour and for the concealer. I love my new eye brushes. The only brush that I didn't use today, it was the number 13. So this is a bit more smaller and more precise. It's also good for your inner corner, but stay tuned because I have other upcoming makeup tutorials and try-on videos, so for sure I'm going to use it. I'm loving the Dior Quint. I think you cannot go wrong with any of those shades. Of course, if you are like me and you prefer to have a matte shadow on the transition, you can grab for another palette. I grabbed for her smaller sister, and by the way, this is the size. I know that my ring light reflects, but this is the size. This is what they look like. I thought the all-nighter primer, it's nice. I think I'm going to add a pinned comment on the top of my comment section and let you know if this primer was helping to last the foundation more than it actually lasts. I love my Rare Beauty duo. I think they are really cute and I love the colors. The Bobbi Brown mascara, I think it's a decent one. And of course, one of my favorite products, the eyelash curler from REPHR, is not the first time when I'm talking about, and I also featured in my October favorites. It's a game changer. This is everything I can tell. I really enjoyed sitting here and trying new products with you on camera. I hope you like this fall type of a look. I also hope the video will be up on my channel while it's still fall. Other than that, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye!